Hi, boys and girls. So this week we're going to practice on two new R-controlled vowels. These are vowels that are followed by an R that make a new sound. So we're going to look at A-R says car, R, like a pirate. Let's try it. A-R, car, R. Good. Now we're also going to practice on O-R. O-R says horn, or. You try it. Good job. You can also practice any of the links that we've attached in our lesson plans with the A-R and O-R, so try those out. All right, so we're going to start this week working on words that have 4 taps. Okay, so let's first start with a review word. Let's see if you can figure out my review word. I have S-H, I, and P. Let's see if we can tap this one together, because this is a review word. We know this one. Ready? Get your fingers ready. Ship. Ship. My word is ship. Now, because this is a review word, everyone knows how to mark this word. I have a beginning digraph, and we mark digraphs by underlining the digraph. So it's 1 tap. Okay. But now, I said we're going to work on words that have 4 taps. So let's change the beginning sound. So we're going to take SH away. And we'll get rid of our underline here. And we're going to add 2 new beginning sounds. So I have this one and this one. All right, now let's see what my new word is. Help me tap it out. S-O-I-P. Let's try that one more time. S-O-I-P. Slip. My new word is slip. Now I'm going to mark this word by underlining the beginning blend. We know this is a beginning blend because there are 2 consonants before or after a vowel that blend together. So we give them each their own line so that we know they're their own tap. But when we say them quickly, they blend together. So let's try tapping it out one more time. S-O-I-P. Slip. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, so we're going to spell this word away. S-L-I-P. Let's try another word with 4 taps. My next word is scent. Say it. Good. Let's tap that one. We have to listen very carefully to each tap. Ready? S-E-N-T. Scent. All right, let's try to make that word. Remember, there were 4 taps, so I should have 4 letters. S-E-N-T. All right, I have my 4 taps. I have my 4 letters. And I'm noticing there are 2 consonants followed by the vowel. So that tells me it's a blend. Okay, so I have to mark my blend. I'm going to underline each consonant with its own line so that we know it's its own tap. Let's try tapping it together again. S-E-N-T. Scent. Good job. Let's spell this word away. S, E, N, T, scent. All right, let's try one more together. Let's do the word. Ooh, this one's good. This has an old rule in it. We can't forget our old rules. My word is stick. Everyone say stick. Try tapping that one out. Ick. Think about that last sound. What do we think we hear? Let's do our taps again. Ick. All right. On my first tap, I hear s. Then I hear st. I. You know it's a vowel. And after a short vowel, if you hear the k sound at the end of the word, I need to use my CK digraph. So I'm going to pull down my CK digraph. All right, let's tap it to make sure I have all of my sounds. I'll point to the sounds while you tap using your fingers. Ready? St, ick. All right, so I have all my sounds. Now we have to mark this word. Now, there's an old way to mark this, and we have a new way to mark it. The first way we know how to mark is our digraph. Remember, that's one line under the both letters because they go together to make a new sound. So CK, sa, k, that's one sound. We also have a beginning blend. S, and T are my beginning blend because the first line didn't stick. Let's see. S and T are my beginning blend because it's two consonants that are next to each other that come right before or right after a vowel. Okay, so let's tap it out one last time together. Ready? Ick. Good job, boys and girls. Let's spell away. S, T, I, C, K, stick. All right. We have one last thing to do. We're going to practice some new trick words. All right, so we have 3 new trick words today, and we're going to use them in sentences to help us. Our first sentence is, would you like the jacket? You say it. All right, so let's make our sentence with our sentence frames. I'm going to start with my uppercase sentence frame, would. This allows us to put our first letter as a capital letter. Would you like the jacket? Is a little bit of a longer word, so I'm going to use a bigger frame. Would you like the jacket? Now, I'm missing my punctuation. I'm trying to think of what I would use at the end. Would I use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation? Think about that. Would you like the jacket? I would use a question mark. So I need my tall frame. Now let's fill in our frames. Okay, we use an uppercase letter, would. You like the jacket? And remember, we need our question mark. Now, let's read our sentence together. Would you like the jacket? I'm going to change one word on here to a new color, and I want you to think, what is my word? My word is would. Would is a difficult trick word because it's not spelled the way that it sounds. If we heard would, we would think would, maybe a U sound. So we have to practice this one. Okay, let's arm spell would. Everyone get their arm ready. W-O-U-L-D, would. Good job. All right, now we're going to practice our second trick word. So I cleared my board here and we're ready for our second trick word. Our next sentence is going to be, we could do our homework. Why don't you try that? Good. Let's pull down our sentence frames. Say the sentence with me as I move the frames. We could do our homework. Now I need my ending. Do I use the ending punctuation of a period, or do I use a question mark or exclamation mark? What do you think? We could do our homework. A period is what I use. So I'm going to use my small sentence frame box. Now let's fill in our words. We, capital to start, right? Could do our homework. All right, and homework is a little bit of a longer word. And we're always going to put in our punctuation. So put a period in. Oh, kind of didn't go in the box there. Move it up. There we go. All right, let's read our sentence together. We could do our homework. Now, look at the word that I'm changing and think about what my new trick word is. My new trick word is could. I'm looking at would and could. I'm noticing they have the same ending. They end with O-U-L-D. So those two words rhyme. O-U-L-D says ould in these words. Okay, so we're going to move our new trick word up here. And let's try practicing our new trick word by spelling it on our arms. Ready? Everyone get your arm spelling ready. Say could, could. C-O-U-L-D, could. Nice job. All right, we have one last trick word to do. And we're going to use the sentence that we already have made. I'm just going to put in a new trick word. So we're going to add this word now. Okay, now let's read our sentence. Listen to me first. We should do our homework. Now you try it. We should do our homework. What is my new trick word? Go ahead, shout it out to me. It's should. Should looks a lot like would and could. It's another rhyming word because it has the same ending, that O-U-L-D. Let's practice arm spelling should now. Ready? Say should. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Very nice, boys and girls. Now, continue to practice your trick words and don't forget to practice your dictation with your families. Have a good day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.